안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Nami입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and a lot of you have been recommending a CoWash, which is basically a conditioner that is cleansing, a cleansing conditioner. And I've never heard of that ever before. Obviously, I've never tried it, so I thought I would do a first impression on my first time using a CoWash and what my experience is like. This one I bought at a Winners on Boxing Day. Cleanses, conditions, detangles, and is a leave-in conditioner. You're supposed to rinse your hair thoroughly, apply it into your palms, and rub together. Apply to scalp and hair, adding a splash of water to evenly distribute. There's no harsh sulfate, so it will not lather. And then you massage it and leave it on for the remainder of your shower. So I'm gonna try it and let you know what I think. I don't know if this is, it's dripping everywhere. I don't know if this is possible with my hair, like, out of the shower, but we'll try. It's a lot more jiggly than I imagined it to be. Let's try. I'm gonna put it into my hair. It's kind of weird because it's in a tub. It feels like kind of like a mask. It looks like a mask too.
Ziek, can Ziek play?
No. Can you turn off the thing for me? Ziek, Hajima! No. Oh, Daddy, can you help, please?
Why? What happened?
Ziek is here.
Hi, I'm back. Just wanted to talk a little more about my experience. CoWash goes on pretty easily, but I find that I have to use 2 to 3 times the amount of regular shampoo. But I guess in total, shampoo and conditioner together would be the amount that I'm using of CoWash. So I mean, it's not bad, but you do have to use water to distribute and emulsify the product throughout the hair. And after soaking it in the hair while you proceed with the rest of your shower, it does rinse pretty easily. And it made my hair really soft, and I find it was a good 3-in-1 cleansing, conditioning, and a sort of hair mask. But I did find that I had to wash my hair a little more often, maybe about 1 to 2 days sooner than my regular Olaplex treatment, shampoo, and conditioner routine that I usually do. But I don't mind because with the CoWash, it's just one step. I just find that I have to do it a day or two sooner and more frequently. I'll also have the pros and cons that I found with using a CoWash compared to my regular routine on the screen for your extra information. I do hope that you found this super quick video helpful or informative in any way.
Today's featured comment is from live stream, or post live stream, because Nami's emotionally attached and I'm still here. Spirited Dancer 17 asks, which hairstyle should a girl who's losing her hair from illnesses get that'll be fun instead of sad since she's losing her hair? Thank you so much, Spirited Dancer, for sharing that with us. I can imagine how difficult it would be to experience hair loss due to an illness. I also experienced hair loss, but during postpartum hair loss, which is when you actually lose hair after you give birth. And that was like really shocking for me, but I can't imagine, you know, having to lose a lot of my hair from an illness. I think you're incredibly strong for being able to, you know, take it or try to take it in a positive light and do something fun with your hair. I would think that the best hairstyle would be one that you like and one that you enjoy to see pictures of. Whatever you see that you really think is pretty or nice or cute, that would be really fun to try. And what you can do is you can search on Google the types of hairstyles that you usually like, and then screenshot them and put them in an album titled like hair or hair inspiration or something like that on your phone, and that way you can look through them and see what you really enjoy to see and get it done on your hair. You'll be able to look in the mirror and see that hairstyle that you enjoy on yourself. I know I shared a little bit about this during the live stream, but I hope that that could be helpful. That's the only thing that I can think of. I can't imagine how difficult it would be, but I really hope that, you know, it could be encouraging and a fun process as well to try something new. And I believe that even after you lose your hair, you'll still be beautiful. I just hope that you would know that and be able to see your beauty even without
any hair. But thank you so much for sharing. For the rest of us, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more from this channel, definitely make sure to subscribe and click that bell notification so that you're notified right away when a new video drops. I also post regularly on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, so I'll check you out on those platforms if those are platforms that you use. So that's it, and I will see you next time.